Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So this is live price prediction of Theta Network coin, my brother, and congratulations to last 24 hours. Theta Network will get a very good profit now. I am so happy because, my brother, I am also holder of Theta Network, and especially this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my viewers, my subscriber, please research personally before you take any decision. And last 1 hour minus 1.36% they will lost now, but don't worry, my brother, in last 24 hour plus 9.09% they will get a profit. So therefore I am very excited to see this now. Congratulations. As you can see here, my brother, this time the market cap, so the market cap is 7 billion. 24-hour volume, as you can see here, 4 million, and you can see circulating supply is 1 billion, max supply is 1 billion, distribution is 100%. All right, my brother, if we just only check out the last 24-hour my brother chart, so that's clearly showing, my brothers, to in upcoming days the price will increasing, and there is 100% chance, my brothers, so they will give you a very good profit now. So please don't miss this chance. I hope, my brothers, to in upcoming days you will never miss this chance and get a profit. Definitely you need to buy it because the price is very cheap now, and I hope, my brothers, to in very short time they will give you very good profits now. So why you miss this chance? Please take a risk and get a very good profits. Please don't miss this chance, my brother. Absolutely, if you buy in those days, I hope, my brother, at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance. Thanks for watching, holder. The price is 7.54 USD dollar. I hope to the price will hit now 0.8 USD dollar just in only, my friend, at the mid of month. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.